Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the 9 Lives cat food, the 9 Lives daily essentials. Now, I have 2 cats and my cats are very finicky, okay? It's almost weird how, you will swear that they're going to like something because it's just so, like you think, oh, if I was a cat, I would just love this. It's like putting a raw fish right there in front of them. Like, oh, yeah, put that there, and I'm going to tear it up. But my cats are very particular on what they will put in their mouths. And it's like they're snobs or something. And they always end up being in a position where they're begging for a different form of food. And I don't know why sometimes. So what happened was with the 9 Lives here, I want to say that my cats like it a lot, okay? But that would only be half true. So now what it is when I first got it, this is why I don't know if you can see it, but this bag is about half full. About a quarter full. We have some here for display. What it is when I first got it, I filled up my cat's bowl and put it down there for them. And one of the cats really liked it a lot. The other just did not have it at all. He nibbled on it really quickly and stopped. But the other ate the whole thing. Okay? Now, I figured, okay, the first cat who didn't like it was kind of, okay, this is just not his thing. I'll give him something else. Okay, and I'll just use this for the one that liked it. The next time I gave it to the one that liked it, he ate it up again. And then the next time, he ate it up again. Okay? So this is probably about the 4th day, and I give him some and he won't eat it. Now I figured, oh, okay, he's just not hungry, or he's not feeling well or something, because I know he just loves this stuff. So I tried it again later and I was like, oh, what's wrong? Because he wasn't eating it again. And I said, okay, I don't know, maybe he's not feeling well or something. But he was playing, he seemed fine, he was meowing like he was hungry, but he didn't want to eat that. So I gave him some of the other food that I was giving the other cat that the other cat liked, and he ate that one. So I said, oh, okay, so he is willing to eat, he is just not willing to eat this. And I could not figure it out. I was like, oh, but you just like this. I don't understand. So, okay, I just said, well, maybe today's just weird. Okay, the very next day, I tried it again. He wouldn't have nothing to do with it. It's almost like the other cat talked to him or something and said, look, you got to be with me on this or something. We do not like this. And you have to stop eating it because I want something else or something like that. I don't know. But he wouldn't eat it after that. I just could not get him to eat it. And it's kind of sad too, because 9 Lives has been around forever. And I really like the fact that it was rated so high. I looked it up, and it's good for strong bones and a healthy heart and all that good stuff, and it's really supposed to be very good for you, for your cat. And neither of them were having it. I don't understand it. Done trying to. I'm just stuck with a quarter of a bag left of this 9 Lives daily essentials, and I'm not really sure what to do with it, but that is what they feel about it, and it's really sad and really strange. I don't get it. I almost wish that the cat that liked it at first just didn't like it at all from the get-go, just like the other one, then I would just, you know, wouldn't think much of it after that. But it's so weird that the first cat liked it so much in the beginning and then just changed. It's just strange. It's like it's spoiled or something. I don't know. It's really weird, but it's supposed to be good, but my cats just didn't like it. They tried it, nibbled. The first one nibbled on it a bit. The second one ate it for a little while and then just stopped. He just, I don't know, he just didn't like it after that. But it is what it is. Cats are finicky. Who knows what they're thinking when they're trying to eat. Okay. All right. Well, that is the 9 Lives Daily Essentials. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.